Is it possible to go through this process and complete it within the 6-7 months?
See, data, when the data is available as to the statistics, then it's a matter of a delimitation. You understanding?
So delimitation 6 months and जातलो कित्याक आतां पळयत जाल्यार मुन्सिपालिटीचे देखून जे delimitation आहले ते पोते
delimitationाची गरज नाशिल्ली. ते delimitation in municipality कित केला. ते delimitation was an attempt for the purpose of postponing the election. कित्याक BJP did not want to have that election. Remember this. कित्याक तेंचे मोदे फूट जावपाची and people would have done this way and that way. कित्याक तेंगेले कार्यकर्ता आसताले बसताले electionात they didn't want that foot before the assembly election. So that was a strategy they used by trying to say delimitation and finally to postpone the election. And this is how the...
No, but here the process is very easy to तुमका दिसता 6 months and
where there is a will, there is a way.
Okay, Dr. Anish Dazaram, as an ex-minister and education, उनके newly elected president कि टिकट पैसे दिले.
Now please hear what were his words. पुत्र कित मोल्टेड है?
तू सांग आम्ही किती जाणा.
No, तुम्ही सांगा. So see, don't put words which were not said. At least what I have read is that he was asked how much money he has. What is wrong? I can be asked also how much money if I come as a beggar and say I want to contest election. At least कि थोड़े ask हो जाए नहीं. So if you were asked, did he say that somebody asked him money? Did you hear that? Did you say that he was asked a particular figure? I don't think, I never heard this.
तो म्हणता आपल्याला विचारले पैसे कितले आले म्हणजे
See, at that time also, to be honest, there were statements about his financial condition. Please go back and rewind and you will come to know. So I am also of the view that you can't give a ticket to a person who is completely bankrupt. You have to give ticket to a person who has got some finance in hand. He can say, I've got this much money, I will arrange this much money, because you need certain money for the purpose of fighting an election.
He was bankrupt, you mean to say?
I'm not saying you, I'm saying, see, please don't, where you ask a question is, I've said it. I've said you can't give a ticket to a person who is bankrupt. So I don't say that he is bankrupt. Please don't put words like that.